G'day guys, Aaron and Jason here from MMT. I'm just working on Jason's glute here before a sprint, but we have very, very exciting news.
Big news.
Big news.
What is it, Aaron?
Huge. We are doing our biggest giveaway ever. So all you have to do is buy the MMT 2024 calendar and you go into the draw to win a flights and accommodation package to come and stay with us here in Melbourne for 7 days. Full immersion experience with Ninja, myself, Jason and Darcy.
And the MMT team. You can come to meetings and get treatment.
It's a full immersion experience into everything MMT. Or if you're a local, you can opt for a different package. It's a year's worth of massage. So one 60-minute treatment a week for all 52 weeks of the year. Both packages are valued at just under $10,000.
$10,000?
$10,000.
That's crazy.
Ninja's filming here, his bloody brain's exploding. So yeah, we just want to let you know, all of December is your chance to enter. There's no limits. If you buy 50 calendars, you're into the draw 50 times, all right? So give one to your mum, your goldfish, your dog.
Doesn't matter who they go to as long as you buy them.
Exactly. So we will be drawing the winner on January 1st, Australian time. So New Year's Day, we'll do it live on YouTube, Instagram. And if you're the lucky person, you get to come out to Melbourne.
Once in a lifetime opportunity this is.
Mate.
We've never done this before, have we, other than Mac Holland's the athlete?
Yeah, and a
This is
few
your
students
chance.
who came to work out with us, but your life will never be the same.
One
Never be the
calendar
same.
could change your life. If you've got chronic pain out there, if
Oh.
you've been watching our channel and genuinely want to get this treatment, this could be just for you. You could get 7 days worth of treatment.
Exactly.
Yeah, this could be a
Unbelievable.
full life overhaul. We're not just talking.
the best thing though, Jay.
What is it?
The accommodation.
Oh, the accommodation.
It's at Ninja's house in his Airbnb,
Ninja's-
brand new Airbnb up in the middle of the forest, rainforest up at Mount Dandenong.
It's
You get to
beautiful setting
live
up
in
there.
Ninja's big 3-story mansion with him. Popcorn.
Maybe even all of us. We might
Sleepovers.
all
We
have-
all come up there, have a big sleepover. What do you reckon, Ninja?
Correct.
Bloody exciting.
Oh.
Yeah, this is genuinely how excited are we for this? Like,
Oh, I'm frothing, mate.
we're excited to be able to potentially help you if you're watching this video and
100%.
you've clicked the link.
Ninja's entered his alter ego, Peter North. He's that
Yeah,
pumped.
he's
Hitting new world records.
he's hit a new distance.
He's new distance. Yeah.
Couple of meters.
Oh, shit. You're getting some serious pastings going on, you reckon, Jace? How are you going here, mate? We better start the treatment,
yeah,
eh? What's
let's
been
get into
happening
the
with you, bro?
Oh, it's just working out. My usual. We're into the weeks of 80% lifts for deadlifts and squats. So
What are you cracking?
I did 2 sets of 3 on 180. So
Nice. Just cruising for you? Just,
Cruising.
Pretty good number to be cruising at, though, isn't it?
yeah, I haven't hit those numbers for a while. Since,
I haven't done
yeah.
180 for a while. What have you been
Not for threes. Not just because I'm sort of building back post footy season. So that's a bit
True.
sore.
Just stood up, Jace.
But now I'm on sprints tonight, so this will get me right.
You feeling fit? You've been.
I'm feeling all right.
The judges
yeah.
have been going good for you.
Back
hey?
into the
You-
3 sets of Juds, yeah. How are you? You're struggling with Juds at the moment.
Oh, my Juds are terrible. I feel quick. Like I don't feel.
No,
I feel
you-
like
you-
my
sprint
speed
works
is good,
good.
but my endurance, it's crazy. Like I don't know. Like I remember in the middle of the year, we built up to doing 7
Yeah,
Juds,
you were
which is
smashing
brutal,
it.
and I felt really quick. But I don't know. Something's been. Yeah,
You've had a bit of an interrupted
I have
second
had a
half
bit
of the
interrupt.
year.
I've been kind of in
Couple
for 2,
little
out for
niggles,
1.
yeah.
In for 1, out for 2. So it's been a little bit discombobulated, but the speed still feels good. But yeah, the Juds are probably just a little bit suffering at the moment. Even the 150s are good though, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I reckon sometimes I put a lot into my 150s and I get to the Juds and I got nothing.
It
Like,
does,
I reckon my
yeah.
capacity's probably low. So as soon as I put in some good hard reps for the long distance stuff, I reckon I haven't got the ability to go again. So
Oh.
how's your body going here, Jace? You got a few goobies in here?
They're not.
or-
It's not too bad actually. You fixed a lot of it up in the Patreon episode this week. If you
Oh,
haven't
true. Catch that
jumped
if you haven't
over
got
there,
Patreon, yeah.
Patreon, GLUTE of the week's back.
Gee, we did some good basketball stuff today.
Oh
didn't we, on
yes, there's
Patreon?
a few games between. Your basketball today was off the
Ninja,
charts.
You should see my basketball today. We
Apparently,
did around
like,
the world. I lived
4
on
shots
the
in a-
second station.
Four
Was it 8 stations?
Maybe yeah, something
You
like
haven't
that.
seen what we did. We did this funny thing, Ninja, around the world. But if you miss 2 shots in a row, you have to take a piece of clothing off. And then it got to the point where the last step was if you missed 2 in a row, you had to pull your pants down, and so you just had your ass out. So Jay's had a couple of ass out throws. Oh shit. Anyway, what's that?
There it
Ninja?
is.
About it. Bob's your auntie.
So there it is, guys. The biggest prize ever at
Ever.
MMT.
Huge. This big.
Can't wait to help you though.
Buy your calendar. There'll be a link in the description below. Buy 50 calendars. We want to see you. Come out to Australia. Americans, you don't really travel internationally too much, so this could be a great way that
And
you
it's
can
on
come
us.
down under.
We pay for it. Don't worry about that. It's
That's
nothing.
it. All on us. The toilet flush is the other way around here too. You can come look at that. Anyway, thanks guys.
There you go. See you later.